So diddly do. Hey guys, this is Michael with Matthews Landscape, and I am shoveling up our mix. Mix is a very important factor when it comes to planting your plants and the health of your flower bed. Unlike clay, this is full of nutrients. This is going to help your plants thrive. And a misconception is mix is just good just for your top dressing as well. That may be a preference, but we would suggest using mulch or pine straw as your top dressing because it will create a barrier for your flower bed to deter weeds from growing through, and also can help in the warmer months keep your plants cool, but also helps in cooler months by creating that barrier or insulation to keep your plants warm. I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions for us, let us know, and I hope you guys have a great day.